guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my video. In this, I'm going to make a basic static routing tutorial. So, okay. This the instruction are to create a topology like this. Okay, then connect the left router to the left PC and the right router to the right PC, and make sure all of them are connected to each other. And here we are required to use static routing. Okay, without further ado, let's get into the practice. The steps are turn on the router. You can scan and then right click and select start. Okay, then wait until it turns green. Okay. By the way, the function of the switch here is just to allow the IP traffic to pass through, so you don't need to worry about it. Just focus on the left and right router and left and right PC. Okay, so next you open it and you'll be connected to telnet. Okay, then wait. Okay, press enter and type admin in login and press enter and tap N. Okay, and enter your password in this password. Okay, next. Okay, this is success login, and you type system identity set name. Okay, and next you type IP address and then enter, and you type add address 10 and 1 interface and other one. This IP on from the this IP router 1. Okay, this IP router 1. Okay, next and you can be click enter. Okay, and you can type add again an address and IP again. Okay, interface other one. Okay, and enter. Okay, okay. Next, block here and you right click and start select, and you open this. The next step are you type IP 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 this IP. Okay, and then press enter. Okay, process. Okay, finish. And next, type ping 10 10 10 and 1. This IP gateway and from this. Okay, and you enter. Okay, this is a success. Okay, next step, you open this router. Okay, click here and click here and enter and type admin and enter, type password and enter. Okay, and type system identity, set name, on this router type the same command as on the left router. 1. Only change the IP addresses. Okay, system identity, set name, R2. Okay, and next you type IP address and then press enter. Okay, and you tap again add address from here, this IP this. Okay, and type interface and other one, and then press enter. Okay, success. And next you type add an address and then IP here, and interface and other one. Okay, okay, success. Next, PC2. For this part, do the same step as for the left PC. Left PC1. Only change the IP. Okay. Okay, you can click here. No. Yes. You can click here. Click here. And click here. And then you type IP from this IP, and IP again, then press enter and process. Okay, success. And you next tap ping. Okay, and you may IP tap IP.
Jelek banget tuh sinyalnya bocah.
And then enter. Okay, this is successful. Okay, next static routing configuration. Okay, on successful, you can set up static routing from router 1 to PC2. So PC2 can connect to PC for communication. Okay, here show PC2. Okay, then tap IP route and enter, and you tap add and DCT address, and you tap IP and gateway IP, oh yeah, IP then press enter. Okay, success. Now we have connected router 1, this router 1 with router 2, but router 2 still cannot communicate with PC2. So configure router 2 as well. The steps are similar. Okay, okay, you tap IP route, okay, and enter, and you tap add address, DCT address, and tap IP and gateway, tap gateway and tap IP. Then press enter. Okay, success. And you can also view the IP route configuration you have made by tapping PR. Okay, as AS means active static, and ADC means active dynamic connected. Okay. Okay, next. Now you can test the connection using ping. Open PC2, this. PC2, this PC2, and you type ping and type IP. And press enter. Okay, this is successful. If there no request timeout, that means you have successfully set it up. Okay. Do you want me to also make this translate a sound like a YouTube tutorial narration style, more casual and spoken like, instead of a step-by-step document. Okay, thank you guys.